reminder of what makes a community strong. Nation building does not begin in the big offices or faraway places. It starts here, in our towns, barangays, and communities. It starts with the people who care for one another and who are willing to work together for the common good. Kaya ara gid man ang akon colleague, no? Ang akon ka trabaho sa Kongreso, ang aton kong-tulong, Attorney Nat Odocado, no? Maayonanons are known for their togetherness, their willingness to help, and their selflessness, especially during difficult times. These are values that are recognized not only in active participation. We have placed kindness along the way as we move forward and work together for a better and brighter future for the municipality of Maayon. As we celebrate the Hilo Festival, let us enjoy this festival. Madamo gid salamat kag maayong aga sa tanan.
Thank you so much, Kong Howard. And may we request our elected officials to please present the plaque of appreciation to Congressman Howard. So once again, thank you so much, Kong Howard. We are truly grateful for your presence throughout the celebration of the Hilo Hilo Festival and for joining us in many of the festival's upcoming events and activities here in Maayan. So, Vice Mayor, please now present the plaque of appreciation to Kong Howard.